So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find whether antiderivative of every even function is an odd function or not. So what I do is, so let us take an even function. Let f of x be an even function. F of x be an even function. This implies f of minus x is equal to f of x. English में if I say that f of x is an even function, mathematically it is equivalent to f of minus x is equal to f of x. And let g of x be the integration of f of x. Let g of x be the integration of f of x dx. So now the question is g of x an odd function? Antiderivative, that is integration of every even function, is an odd function. So you are asked to find whether g of x is an odd function or not. So how do you check whether a function is odd function or not? So if g of x is an odd function, if g of x is odd, g of minus x जो है that has to be equal to minus g of x. So that's the definition of an odd function. So g of minus x should be equal to minus of g of x. So let us try to find g of minus x. So g of minus x is equal to integration of, so g of x is integration of f of x dx. So g of minus x is equal to f of minus x into d of minus x. जहाँ भी x है वहाँ minus x put करना है. That is equal to integration of f of minus x. So f of minus x जो है, from definition f of minus x is f of x. So f of x into d of minus x is nothing but minus dx. That is equal to minus of integration of f of x dx plus some constant c. So g of minus x is equal to minus integration of g of x dx. That is equal to minus of integration of f of x dx. That is nothing but g of x plus some integration constant. So g of minus x function wise it will be minus g of x plus some constant extra हो सकते हैं, because from integration you get an integration constant. So g of minus x is need not be exactly equal to minus g of x. It can be equal to minus g of x plus c. So from the definition of odd function, if g of x is odd, g of minus x exactly minus g of x होना चाहिए, but g of minus x is minus g of x plus some constant. So this statement is false. Now let us go to the second statement. So in this statement you are asked to see whether primitive of 3x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x plus 1 whole square is x by x power 4 plus x plus 1. So you have to check whether this statement is true or false. That is, you have to check whether integration of 3x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 plus x plus 1 whole square dx is equal to x by x power 4 plus x plus 1 plus c होता है या नहीं. So you have to check whether this is true or false. So अगर ये true होना है तो इस function का differentiation जो है वो ये होना चाहिए. So if integration of f of x is equal to g of x का differentiation जो है that has to be equal to this integration. So let us try to differentiate this and see. So इसको मैं f of x मान लिया तो so what is f dash of x? ये u by v फॉर्म में लग रहा है. So x power 4 plus x plus 1 का whole square v square. So v square, so vu dash minus uv dash है. So x power 4 plus x plus 1 v into u dash is 1 minus u into x into इसका differentiation is 4x cube plus 1. 4x cube plus 1 that is equal to x power 4 plus x plus 1 minus 4x power 4 minus x by x square plus x plus 1 का whole square हो रहे. So minus x plus x is getting cancelled. That is equal to x power 4 minus 4x power 4 minus 3x power 4 plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 का whole square हो रहे. So the differentiation of this is minus 3x power 4 plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. But the given expression is 3x power 4 minus 1. So the integration of this is not equal to this. यहाँ एक minus है तो आंसर सही होता है. So this statement is false. Now let us go to the third statement. So the next statement is integration of 1 by root of sin cube x cos x is minus 2 by root tan x plus c. Is it true or false? लेकिन इसको भी हम रिवर्स मेथड से करेंगे. इसका डिफरेंशिएट किया तो ये वाला आना चाहिए if this is true. So what is the differentiation of minus 2 by root tan x? So minus 2 into, so root tan x, 1 by root tan x is tan x power minus half. So the differentiation is minus 2 into tan x power minus 3 by 2 into secant square x. So that's the differentiation. So 2 minus minus cancel हो गया. That is equal to sin power minus 3 by 2x by cos power minus 3 by 2x into 1 by cos square x. That is equal to 1 by sin power 3 by 2x into cos x power half. That is equal to 1 by root of sin cube x into cos x. So the differentiation of this function is exactly equal to 1 by root sin cube x cos x. So integration of this function is equal to minus 2 by root tan x plus c is true. So this statement is true. So now let us go to the fourth statement. So finally, you're asked to check whether integration of root of a plus x by a minus x minus root of a minus x by a plus x dx is equal to minus 2 root a square minus x square. So again, I'll differentiate this side. If it is exactly equal to this, then the integration of this will be equal to the other side. So minus 2 root a square minus x square का differentiation क्या होगा? So minus 2 into root of something का 1 by 2 root a square minus x square into a square minus x square का minus 2x. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, minus minus gets cancelled. That is equal to 2x by root of a square minus x square. So इस function का differentiation is this. So आप check करने is this exactly same as this expression. So इस expression को आप simplify कर लीजिए, LCM ले लीजिए. If you take this expression, if you take the LCM, root of a square minus x square is the LCM. So cross multiplication किया तो you get a plus x minus of a minus x. So plus a and minus a gets cancelled. That is equal to 2x by root of a square minus x square. 2x by root of a square minus x square. So इसका differentiate किया तभी 2x by root of a square minus x square आया. Simplification of this is also same as 2x by root of a square minus x square. Hence integration of this is equal to this expression is true. So this statement is true. So finally, out of the 4 statements, the answer should be the first 2 are false and the second 2 are true. FFTT should be the answer. Thank you.